So let's look at some of the Word features, how we can use Copilot with Word. Here you're seeing I'm just trying to create a simple image with Word. So how do you start? Once you have Word, you have this icon Copilot. So once you click that, you'll get a side dialog like this. So here you can chat like you're using ChatGPT. Basically, Copilot is nothing but ChatGPT. Microsoft has invested in OpenAI before, and then they are now collaborating. So it's same, but it works under your Microsoft Office work environment. So I just told it to create a red car, and then it's just created it, and then you can just use that car in your document. Um, So I was just passing generate the image of a car, and then it's going to ask some settings, and then once you get that you will get this. So you can just plus, then you can also copy, or I have a different variant of a car, just you can just add it and you can resize it or use it for whatever your purpose is. And you can also add more prompts, like make it a nightscape night cityscape, and then it's going to change a lot of things and create the image for you. So basically what you do is you just click on this icon Copilot. If you're using it in office, most of the offices have your professional license, and they will have a advanced version of Copilot which they pay, and you can use it to the full capacity. So you can browse through your documents and tell it to summarize and also do such activities. So this is a very useful tool. So I'm in Word, just click on this, and then you can start chatting with it. And you can, depend if you have already a Word document, you can just open it and then let it do the chatting for you. So here you see it's created a nice picture of a city skyline which you can use. And other things what you can do is, like, you can tell it to create a resume, and then it's going to create a template for you, like your name, address, or a professional summary which you can use. And then it gives you some prompts which you can just add, like tailor it for a tech job, and then it's going to change it whatever you need. So this is a very useful tool, and if you are in office or school or university, you can start using it. And also note that there is an icon here which will also help you. So this is also artificial intelligence. Like for example, it gives you some prompts, or you can prompt it to do whatever you want to do. So I'm just create a vacation blog about hiking, and then once you do that, it's going to generate. So you can use it from here, or you can use it from here. So this content is created for you by the artificial intelligence tools from Microsoft, and you can start editing it. You can delete it, refresh it, keep it, and then you can add. So you can also create again, and then Copilot, you can also tell it to do some more things like structure and refine, make it formal, and it's going to do a lot of stuff. So there are a lot of things which the artificial intelligence tools, like especially Microsoft Copilot, can do. And then you can just say replace. And what else can you do? You can keep writing this, insert a summary, and these options. Now I'm just going to delete this and then retry something else. So when you click here, write an interview guide for a software engineer position at Microsoft, and then it's the same as ChatGPT you generate, and then you can create as a Word. But inside Word itself, if you want to work, if you have a document, and so once you have, like for example, you have a document here, so what you can do, you can just go here and then say summarize. So summarize, and then it's going to read your current document here and then summarize it for you. And you can do other things, you can edit it, add it. So there are tons of things which you can do. You just have to start playing around with these, especially the Copilot thing, which is quite a useful tool. And if you have any questions, do ask. Thanks.